Oh, not the way Musa no go see for gate oh. Side chick pour hot water for wifey body. Hello, my correct people. How una dey, my darling people? Today matter, it shockalize me like seriously. It shockalize me, my darling people. They say nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. Nothing wey person no go see for gate. My darling people, today matter na about one side chick, like my darling people. Mona listen, make I tell una the story. This woman wey marry this man, they always suspect this side chick for their area. This side chick, they always, the way they kukukere with her husband, she they suspect, you understand? She they always suspect him every time. So one day, this side chick, the woman can't set trap. And I know say women, and when you don't suspect your husband, you can't set trap, wait for him. You can't set trap, oh, my darling people. As he set the trap, the woman the wifey can finally catch the side chick. As he catch the side chick, now he can start to beat her. So they can't hold them. No people can't hold them and say make the woman stop, make it leave him. Now your husband toast him, this, that. And the woman say no, she dey suffer follow this man. This side chick not they let her they see her own husband again. So every time, now the side chick, and after everything, the woman don't beat her, they can finally remove her hand for her body. Now the side chick now can say, wetin him go do this woman now? This side chick now, because why I dey do this video now? They say men, more dey careful, more stop all those things to dey cheat on una wife. If you don't want wife again, it's better you just leave am. It go dey more better than say you will come begin to cheat on your own wife. It's not good. You see what you resolve to now, it's not good. You understand me, my darling people? So the woman now come begin to suspect after I don't beat the side chick. Then the side chick now one day now, like the side chick, after the fight, the side chick can go bring out water. It can't pour for wifey body. It can't pour hot water for wifey body. Wifey. For wifey or wifey, it can't pour hot water for wifey body, my darling people. So now the man now, what is supposed to happen to the man? They need to arrest that man, because now you go carry that side chick come. Not be even wifey now can't even pour hot water. Now side chick now can't pour hot water. They say not the way Musa no go see forget to my darling people. Not the way Musa no go see forget. My darling people, this one shock me. Oh, it shockalize me like wifey side chick that can see pour hot water for wifey body. You see, men, more na they stay one place, una no go here. Una no go here. Una no go here. It no good. May man they cheat on the wife. Because I believe, say, supposing this man not go cheat on the wife now. This kind of not happen. Yeah, if not happen. Okay, now see what he can resolve to now. See what he can resolve to now. It no good. More na stop to the cheat on our wife. Now the matter where they grant now be this one. My bonga people, what do una think about this video? What did this woman do na good thing? This man and this side chick, what did he do na good thing? If una see the woman face or her body, na chakabondo na it can be. Chakabondo na the face can be. The face not gonna dey okay again, my darling people. This woman, this man, they need to arrest the two of them. Because they don't disfigure the wifey face now. Wifey na e face don disfigure. Who go come carry wifey now? E no good. E get one guy too, one wey my eye reach, wey be say the woman, the man dey cheat on the girl. He never marry the girl. One day na the girl dey come house now, he come meet the one wey the boy love get pikin. The other one not get pikin. One day now the side chick come now, he come meet them for his house. Fight come start. As fight start now, meanwhile, that is why I not still good to the arrange with your boyfriend. They shop another girl money. The one they shop money now na converse. As they come find out say that girl that he girlfriend, the boy they tell her now say he no want do again. And the girl say na lie you lie. After the money wey he don spend, fight come start. As fight come start now, not do before you know. Before you know now, they come begin they separate them. As they separate them finish, they can't tell the boy, the girl now say, okay, the boy, since you don't know now, say that he gets serious relationship, maybe you leave them. The girl comes say, okay, maybe you just sleep till day break. The next day he will come out. They can say, okay. Next day reach. Now before day break, the girl don't plan everything. Go put hot water for fire. Put pepper for inside the hot water. He pour for this girl body. As he pour, I don't already put the luggage for her side. And so it's wrong. For they know they not see the girl. They not see her cash. Don't come out. That girl now that body now. One of her breasts he finish. So why they do this topic? Be say men I beg. Stop to the cheat on your wife, because some girls their head not theirs. Some girls get score for head. Now they go they follow you, they drag man. Now they go see they threaten you. Side chick. Now there. Now go see they threaten you. You understand? Some my ogbonge people, the matter where they grant and I be this one. It really pay me saying that the wife and I face can't disfigure. Which man can carry this woman now? You know there. You know there. You know good. May we stop this thing. May we stop to the may we start to the behave way. Men. Eh? How you go allow your side chick go pour hot water for your wife body? Tomorrow now you go say the woman face not good again, you want leave her. Who does that? Who does that? You know good. Man go get people. So men, wanna stop to the cheat on our wife. So what do you think about this video? Wanna leave on a comment for the comment section, because some women and some men, some side chick and some men, they know some of their heads not the theirs. Yeah. So my correct people, anything want to think about this video, want to leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you. If any updates today, I will consider Luna. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.